Everybody, Redneck Garage back again with a little short video. I got a little Honda 4x4 four-wheeler here. It's got this problem. Turn the key, no lights. But if I do that, you got gauges. And I'll show you what I'm doing right here in just a second. See now, no lights. Now you got lights. Now you can reach over here and hit the button. Crank, it'll start over or start up. So here's the problem with her. I fixed it once before, but it broke right after the repair. So here is the problem with her. You might have the same issue. See that right there? That is for the lights. 15 amp fuse. I just cut the wires off. Found which wires go where. I cut them and heat shrunk them. I soldered them together, heat shrunk them and everything. But if you do that, the lights work. So, I mean, that might be what's wrong with yours. It might not be starting. So, I mean, it's just a little quick video of something you can check. I'm just going to go back. I'm going to take this repair out and then just look at it again and make sure that it ain't going to do the same thing that this one did. But, make sure you clean your wire and everything. But I'm going to go back and resolder it, and then she'll be good to go again. It's just, I might trace this wire down. I might just put a whole nother wire in there. Let me turn this key off. But I might just put a whole nother wire in there and then, fix it. But yeah, it's just a short video. Just check your fuses, check where they go. Because like I said, that one was all burned up. And the only other way to replace this fuse box here for the four-wheeler was to go out and buy a whole new one, which is like, I think I found one, it was like $200 for another whole wiring harness just to get that fuse box. And the guy said no, so we went with this route. Just put another 15 amp fuse that goes in there, that goes right there where the lights are, a little 15 amp fuse, put it in here, good to go. Just cut the wires on it, found which wires go where, cut the wires, just solder it back in, heat shrink it so no water gets in. Simple and easy repair. And then I want to repair this one, but I just want to make a short video and show y'all, if yours is doing the same thing, no lights, no crank, you're sitting here and you turn the key on and there's no lights up on the dash, you hit the button and there's nothing, it's just, it could be, I know it sounds funny because it's just for the lights, but it could be right here. Check your fuses, check where your fuses go, make sure it ain't burned up like that is right there. Just simple stuff can cause a whole lot of headache, because they was having to jump it, jump the solenoid over and stuff and everything. But it's just a simple short little video on what could go wrong, or just stuff to check. The guy's supposed to be finding a piece for the seat that goes across here, that way the seat ain't sitting on top of the battery and everything, which I hope he finds it. I'll put it on there for him. I don't care to. He's an older gentleman and he does you good though. I ain't never had a problem with him. I put a motor in his BMW for him. But yeah, just simple stuff to check. Just check the fuses. Last time it was here, I put new brake line in. Actually, this one I do believe was the new one. Let me see here. Is that the new brake line? Yeah, I do believe, yeah. I put a new brake line in for him, and it runs all the way down and all the way to the back and to your adjusters right down right there. So, the simple stuff, check, make sure, like I said, just check your fuses, make sure they ain't burnt, corroded. Corrosion causes a whole mess of problems. Actually, I get my wife's van in the garage and check it. But yeah, just a little, kind of short video just showing you. I might make another video of as I go along with the repair, and then, you know, just show you, you know, whenever I get it repaired, and then crank it over, you know. So I might be back, so y'all just give me a second and I'll show you what I do. Okay, I got a little bit carried away listening to music. I went ahead and just soldered everything together and finished it. My heat shrink, well, I got the wire a little bit too hot and the heat shrink sunk, so I just had to end up taping it, but it's still good. I got the battery charging now, but let's see. As you can see, there's fuse holder, there's where the repair was, that one's still good. So battery's charging. Now let's turn the key on, see what we got. Ta-da! And then we go over here, hit this, and of course, you know, there we go. And he's cleaning on the carburetor really, but I don't think he wants me to mess with it right now. He just wanted to get started. But if you give it gas, it stays running. I mean, you know. But yeah, that is the end of this video. You got a Honda 4x4 and you turn the key and you have nothing and no crank, no nothing. Check your light fuse. You might have to do like what I did here. It's simple. I think they're little fuse holders. You can get them off eBay from China for like $1 or $2, maybe $3, or you can go to like Advance. I think I got that one at Advance for like, I don't know, $3 to $5. And then I had, well, I got fuses anyway, you know, just regular fuse, just, you know, I got all sorts of fuses, big fuses, well, let me get it out here, big fuses, some small fuses, and then the standard size fuses and stuff. So I mean, you know, just if you have one of these and have that problem, give that a look. Like I said, check everything. Y'all people, everybody have a good day. Like, comment, subscribe for more, and I will see you later.